Best Luxury Large Cars for 2024, 2023 Audi A8. In the realm of luxury large cars for 2024, the 2023 Audi A8 emerges as a paragon of sophistication, cutting-edge technology, and refined performance. Audi, acclaimed for its commitment to progressive design and innovation, proudly presents the A8 as the epitome of excellence in the luxury large car category. 2023 Audi A8, a symphony of modernity and luxury. The 2023 Audi A8 captivates with its exterior design, seamlessly blending a sleek silhouette and meticulous details to create an ambience of contemporary luxury. The A8's iconic single-frame grille, fluid lines, and distinctive LED lighting contribute to its commanding and distinguished presence on the road. Audi's commitment to perfection extends to the interior, where opulent materials, cutting-edge technology, and exquisite craftsmanship create an environment that reflects the A8's dedication to unmatched opulence. Under the hood, the A8 delivers a performance that aligns seamlessly with its luxury status. With potent engine options, dynamic handling, and Audi's signature Quattro all-wheel drive system, the A8 ensures a driving experience that is both exhilarating and refined. This makes it an ideal choice for those who demand a luxury large car that seamlessly combines opulence with dynamic performance. Audi's commitment to delivering an unparalleled driving experience is evident in every facet of the A8, solidifying its status as a leader in the luxury large car segment. Top luxury large cars of 2024, A8 elevates the standards. While the 2023 Audi A8 rightfully claims its position as the best luxury large car for 2024, it competes with other prestigious models vying for attention. The Mercedes-Benz S-Class, BMW 7 Series, and Porsche Panamera are among the contenders, each offering their unique blend of luxury and performance. The Mercedes-Benz S-Class, celebrated for its timeless elegance and cutting-edge technology, remains a formidable competitor in the luxury large car segment. The BMW 7 Series, known for its dynamic driving experience and opulent features, adds an element of excitement to the competition. The Porsche Panamera, with its marriage of performance and luxury, contributes to the diversity of choices in this exclusive and competitive category. Consumer preferences and the pursuit of unmatched luxury. In an era where luxury car buyers seek an experience that transcends ordinary transportation, the 2023 Audi A8 aligns seamlessly with evolving preferences. The allure of a luxury large car that effortlessly integrates sumptuousness with state-of-the-art technology caters to drivers who desire a sophisticated and exhilarating journey. As consumers increasingly demand cars that offer an unparalleled blend of style, features, and innovation, the A8 emerges as a frontrunner. Audi's legacy of crafting vehicles that redefine luxury ensures that the A8 remains the epitome of opulence for those who seek a luxury large car that defines the essence of contemporary driving excellence. In conclusion, the luxury large car segment for 2024 promises an infusion of opulence and performance, and the 2023 Audi A8 leads the way. As Audi continues to redefine the standards of luxury, the A8 stands as a symbol of how elegance, innovation, and performance can seamlessly coalesce, offering drivers a sophisticated yet dynamic driving experience that sets the standard for luxury large cars.